to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words, his bonds will stand with you.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos, what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you'll like the videos, just subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel, and thank you. In the elementary school phase, you should be communicating with the child. You should be talking to them about what's going on, because a lot of times they'll hide their emotions and won't tell you what's going on. But as a parent, you should do your due diligence and know everything about the school that they're going to. You know, walk around the school, see where different things are, so that when the child comes and talks to you, you can express that you mean that blue horse that was over there? You know, that you knew what they were talking about in the playground or wherever, so that they'll feel comfortable talking to you about what went on in the school. Because of that, a lot of times with all that new interaction with that social environment, they'll shut down. So you need to be talking to them to ensure that, you know, they're getting through it and they're not hiding nothing or holding something in. You know, but you knowing a lot about the school is definitely going to give them a little more confidence in saying, hey, you know, I can talk to my parents about this because they know everything anyway. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. The middle school phase is where there's going to be a lot more emotions involved with the young kids, and you need to look out for that. The social life will be a lot different. A lot of times they'll want to hide in their bedroom. You know, that's like their safe haven, away from everything, because they've gone through so many emotional ups and downs in their classroom that they try to hide from it. And sometimes there'll be sleepless nights, you know, so you want to check on them, because they'll be sitting there, maybe not crying, but, you know, thinking through, you know, the environment, what they went through, and whether they want to be there. So understanding that that is going to be a part of life, that, you know, and continuing on from elementary school, having that communication will help the child get through that traumatic phase of now being a socialite or not. High school is where kids are going to be more physically inclined, you know, and their hormones and emotions are going to be at another level. And so, you know, you need to look out for, sometimes they try to overdo it, you know. Like some of the young men will be overdressing for school, you know, and that gives you some idea of what's going on with that young man's life. So understanding that and talking to him about that, they'll be able to get through it. And they have to understand that there's going to be groups within high school, and it doesn't matter which one you're in, you know, just, you know, be happy with it, and you know, because you might not be in the popular group, you might not be in you know, any of the other groups, but you'll have your own group of friends, and, you know, just understand that, you know, you don't need to be everywhere. You can't be everywhere. So just be you, you know, live your life and enjoy it. But yeah, it's a little more intense at that period. The college phase is where you definitely want to sit the young man down, young lady down, and talk to them about the different environments that they're now going to be getting involved with on their own. You know, it's going to be an environment where they have to make all the choices, you know, all the judgment, right or wrong, it's all on them. You know? So it's important for them to understand that living alone, everything still goes. It's the same thing as you at home. You get up, you make your bed, you wash your clothes, you put things away, you know. But living alone in college should be an enjoyable period of time. But if they're not comfortable with themselves, then it could be a bad period of time. But I believe that after all the talking and communication that you've had with them all the way from elementary school up, they'll be comfortable enough to be out there by themselves, knowing right from wrong and making good decisions. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds.